So it's day 3 of their training. I like to show up after our technicians just to make sure we got the flow down pat. And I love peeking over a pile of parts and seeing Cosmo sanding away. They've got it dialed in only on day 3, sanding fully primed doors, 2 minutes and 38 seconds. Pretty hard to beat. Perfect quality, no sand throughs. I don't have to tell you how critical it is to not over-process in trying to repair sand throughs all the time. One of the other important parts of this U-shaped cell is that the operator and the robot are sanding at the same time, and there's a built-in inspection. This is a thorough inspection, and you can see in the background the robot's still sanding. So we're not losing any time whatsoever by making sure all of the parts are perfectly ready for the next step. And as you can see, the operator is not struggling whatsoever.